the best print-on-demand product other than t-shirts, and you can earn $12,000 with this product. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Hello, guys. Today we will discuss print-on-demand products that have potential profits that are no less significant than the t-shirts that you usually sell at your Etsy shop. Actually, this video was created because many people are unaware that the potential for print-on-demand other than t-shirts is enormous and can significantly increase your income. If you still don't believe what I'm saying, then let's check out the Etsy store and one of the print-on-demand services. There are several ways to determine which print-on-demand products are in high demand. The first is to simply open one of the print-on-demand service providers. In this video, I use Printify. You don't need to log in using your email, and you only need to click on the catalog section, and a bestsellers menu will appear. This menu will bring up various products that sell the most, and you can use this as one of your research tools when you want to sell print-on-demand products on Etsy. If we look at it together, indeed, the highest sales are definitely t-shirts, but there are various other products that have opportunities that are not inferior to t-shirts. We can see here that there are socks, posters, notebooks, pillows, and even a cell phone case for your cell phone. After that, check on Etsy to see if the sales are good enough for each print-on-demand product. Let's test it in the search field by entering one of the previously mentioned print-on-demand products, namely the socks. If we look at the results, there are several shops that have quite a lot of sales, with reviews reaching tens of thousands. There are shops that offer products with the face of the customer, and this looks cute too, and it can be used as a gift. There are also shops that sell products with pet designs owned by the buyer. You can try selling this print-on-demand product according to the niche you are working on, for example, a product with a pet image. Besides this sock product, let's take a look at the other products on Printify. I tried to check this pillow product, and we opened the Etsy website again to check and analyze the print-on-demand product. If you just type in the keyword pillow, various pillow products will appear, and you can scroll down and you will find this product. I think this product is unique because he sells it for $34, and if we analyze the store, it turns out that he sold 26,000 items. If we look at this product alone, there are 32 reviews, and in November there were 4 reviews as well, which means this product does have sales every month. Next, let's just check using the tool, and I usually use Alera. You can use any other tool you like, such as Erank, Marmalade, Samurai Sale, and so on. You only need to enter the name of the shop that sells the product on the Shop Analyzer menu, and then data about the shop will appear. Then we tried to find out in what order the products we analyzed previously appeared, and found it was on the second page of our data analysis with revenues of around 1,700 Canadian dollars. But there is something interesting about this shop, namely that the designs he makes are applied to the various products he sells. You can see that the cell phone case and pillow have the exact same design and only require a few adjustments when sending files to print-on-demand service providers. The uniqueness of print-on-demand is that you can apply the designs you make to various products available at the print-on-demand providers. So you can make a design that you apply to pillows, blankets, cell phone cases, clothes, and so on. On page 1, there is also a product that has a similar design, but if we look at this product, it is able to generate around 4,000 Canadian dollars in this month alone. Total revenue from this product alone reached 16,000 Canadian dollars, with total sales reaching 400. What I find more interesting is how long the product has been listed on Etsy. This product has been listed for about 100 days, which means sales in the last 3 to 4 months have been around 16,000 Canadian dollars from this product alone. One more product that I think is interesting from this shop is the best-selling product they have. If we observe that the best-selling product has a different design from the previous product, and there are several products that are similar to this best-selling product, sales of the store's best-selling products totaled 62,000 Canadian dollars, with nearly 2,000 sales. And sales for the month alone totaled over 2,000 Canadian dollars, with nearly 100 items sold this month. The product with the second most sales up to number 5 also has a design similar to this best-selling product. So if we take a quick look at the actual products from this shop, it only has a few designs that it uses for the various products it sells, so I highly recommend you study this shop so you can have pretty good sales. Now that we've looked at this Etsy shop, the next question is, how do we design a product like that? If you want to make a design like that, there are many tools that you can use, such as Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, Canva, and so on. I suggest you use Canva because making a design using Canva is very easy. If you need Canva Pro, you can click on the description below, because we know for ourselves that you will have more convenience in designing with Canva Pro, but if you want to use the free version of Canva, that's okay too. First, let's open Canva. I will make a design for socks first, because we were discussing socks for sale on Etsy. Actually, this sock design is not complicated because you only upload the image to the print-on-demand service provider. For the editing process in Canva, all you have to do is enter the image you want and then remove the background using the background remover button. If you want to add writing, then you can add the writing you want, such as the name of your buyer's pet or something else. You can also add 3 to 5 images in one design. Then you save it by clicking on the share button in the right corner with the PNG extension, and don't forget to check the transparent background. Then you open Printify or another print-on-demand service provider and select a pair of socks. You upload the design you made and wait for it to finish. Then you click the pattern button in the lower right corner. Then you repeat this process for the sides and back of the socks, and your design is done. Now we discuss the second store design, and there are 2 designs that we can observe or analyze, but we will focus on the pillow or blanket design only. I will discuss designs that are like pencil strokes in the next video so that this video is not too long. And let's just try to make designs for pillows and blankets. We open Printify first to find out the size of the design we need to print. For example, open a pillow product, and you can adjust the size for other products. In Printify, the pillow has a size of 14 inches by 14 inches. So we just open Canva and click Create a Design with a size of 14 inches multiplied by 14 inches, and then a blank page will appear like before. Then you upload the image that you want to make like a painting, and I use the image from Canva because I don't have an image with a high enough resolution. Just type in the keywords cat, dog, or pet in the Elements menu, then select the image you like. If the image from your client has a background, you can delete it by clicking on the Edit Image button. But my advice is to ask for an image that has a plain background so that the background removal results are better. After that, you click the image again and click Edit Image, then, in the search field, you just type in the keyword prism and click. Then a wide selection of painting styles will appear that you can apply to the designs you create. Now I will show you the difference between each of these painting styles, and it depends on the design taste of the designer. After you finish choosing the painting style you want, you just need to delete the background again because, after editing, a black background will appear. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.